Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's been a while guys. I so much appreciate you guys for all your prayers. So today is a beautiful video for you guys. Today's video is all about wig review, and this wig is sent from Bliss Hair and is water wave. It comes in 18 inches. Guys, I so much love this hair because you are going to see the reason why I told you guys I'm in love with this hair. Everything about this hair is so perfect. The coils is just there. Even when you comb it, it's still there. So, as you can see me trying to detangle the coils with my hands, yet the coils is still there. Like I told you guys before, this wig is from Bliss Wig. Check on the screen, you are going to see the name of the wig. So guys, let's quickly review the inside of the cap. Oh, you can see it stretches and it came with 4 combs, one at the back, one by the sides, another the other side, and one at the center of the cap. So wearing this cap is going to be very easy for you. So you can rock this wig, either you glue it down or you just wear it right like that. It also came with additional adjustable strap at the back, so if you want it to be more secured on your head, you can just use the straps. So guys, see me rocking this hair. Watch out for your baby girl. You know, I'm going to rock this hair and show you everything. So guys, the first thing I'll do is to place the wig on my head. So you can either rock this wig with soft cap or you just rock it like that. Either way you do it, the wig will still come out beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and use a clip to clip it, then use my got to be glued to lay down the frontal to make it look beautiful. If you don't want to use your glue, you can just wear your wig and use the straps at the back to adjust it to the size of your head. The next is I'm going to go ahead and use my hand dryer to make sure I dry it a little bit before laying the hair down. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and keep blow drying to make sure that the glue dry very well and to make sure that the front of the wig wouldn't pull up while doing other things. So the next thing I'll do now is to trim off the lace at the front of the wig. So when you are doing this, make sure you are using a good mirror so that you not cut the parts. So I advise you use a good mirror. So guys, this wig is very beautiful. You won't regret getting this baby for yourself or for your loved ones. Every information about this wig is going to be in the description box below. Do check it out and remember to get this baby for yourself. Remember, this hair is from Bliss Hair and is very beautiful. This is dark brown. Yes, it's dark brown and is 18 inches in length. And another thing about this wig that wow me is that it's very affordable. So guys, you will not regret getting this baby for yourself. So do visit the description box of this video and place your order using the link I'm going to be dropping there. You will get a discount from this company. So guys, the next thing I'll do is to spray water on the hair. And one thing I notice is that as you spray water, the coils keep coming out the more. So see me trying to detangle the hair and the coils keep coming out. This wig is very beautiful. To be frank with you, you are not going to regret getting this baby for yourself or getting it for your loved one as a gift. So guys, let's try to comb it after spraying water on it. You see the coils comes out the more. I love how full, how fluffy the hair is looking beautiful. Like myself, I don't like any flat hair. I love my hair to be that full. So that's the reason why you see me using my comb to push it off to make it look fuller. So whichever way you try, this wig is beautiful. Rock it dry, you won't regret it. You know, spray water on it, the coils comes out the more. So guys, keep watching. So guys, to finish up, I'm going to use my olive oil styling mousse to finish up the look of this beautiful wig. So if you have not tried this styling mousse, do check it out because it's nice. So apply generous amounts of the styling mousse on your wig and see how shiny, more coily the hair is going to be.
Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work.
So guys, I want to thank you for being patient to watch this video up to this extent. Thank you guys, and I am always grateful to have you guys in this great family. All your prayers, God answered them. Thank you so much. You know, my story is coming up soon, so keep watching my video because today I'm going to drop what really happened to me, so that you get the notification. If you have not subscribed, do subscribe so that you get notification for other videos that is coming up soon. Guys, I am so happy to have you guys in this channel, and remember to visit the description box of this video to get this baby for yourself. See your baby girl now, see me shining. I'm in love with this wig. I so much love it, and I want you to have one as well because it's a hair that when you buy you won't regret it at all. So guys, thank you so much. Thank you. I can't thank you guys enough for being there for me, for being so supportive. Thank you so very much. Remember to subscribe, and when you do so, turn on the notification bell so that you can get alerts when we drop a new video. Thank you so much. See you on my next video. Bye.
Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. Too caught up in your love. I've been trying to forget, but you won't let me. Something in my brain wants you. I've been hanging by myself, asking for help, but nothing seems to work on you. Yeah, you always make me feel like home. Yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. Take it away, feeling too good to me. Chilling all day, all in your space is where I wanna be. Here in this room, what did you do? I just can't get enough. To get me, something in my brain wants you. Oh yeah, you never leave my thoughts alone. Yeah, you're the reason I'm going out of my mind. I just can't stop thinking about you. Crystal clear that you're head over heels, but don't come any closer, my dear. Cause when I get mad, I cannot control what might happen. You think you can put your hands on my body. I'm no damsel in distress. Come too close, I might just lose it. I knock you down like